friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this hoe. Hope you're having a fabulous week. My last video didn't do so well, so I thought, you know what? This thing just came in. We gotta forget the past and move on, honey. Move on with the future and what's now. You know what? I'm just gonna unbox. This is what I think is the hottest bag of 2021. I know I said that was the Coach Pillow Tabby, and it was. And I feel like this bag was hot very early. I think this was released at the end of last year, and a few people got it, and then it just started building momentum and building momentum. I tried to buy it in January. It was that whole add to bag situation. Then it didn't, either I didn't pull the trigger or it didn't allow me. It makes more sense that the website didn't allow me, because y'all know I'm that biche. I am definitely going to pull the trigger. But anyway, it's here. Here it is. I'm just going to unbox it and then we will talk about this, because things have to be said. Alright, so I got this from StockX because, and I was heavily influenced by the likes of Yota, the likes of Winnie, Jerusha, Cassie. I mean, all great people and great channels. So if you're going to be influenced by somebody, those are the ones. But several other people too. I've seen this just everywhere, Instagram and YouTube. It's a definite thing. Like I said, I wanted to get on this train quickly, but anyway, you know what it is. You guys, oh, did I have that upside down? No, okay. This did not have a ribbon, but that's okay. It is not from Prada. Okay, something fell. Ooh, hoo, 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 hoo. It's from StockX, right? Ooh, girl. I did what? It was brand new. Never been worn. Tag still on it. Ooh, I feel kind of guilty. This is a guilt purchase. I shouldn't have done this. I should not have bought this bag. But you know, when I get my mind on something, I have to go for it. I don't have to, but I do it. And that is my downfall, girl. That's not a good trade. But it is. It is her. It is she. She's the one. She is the walrus. Cuckoo-ca-choo! Beatles fans? Anyone? Okay. Okay. And everyone says this in a video, and they're right. If you're not seeing that, because, like, I don't think the lights do this justice, but this bag, it glitters, and it's got something else in there that catches your eye. It's like so many facets of, it's just brilliant. It's just like, bing! You know? It really, I can't describe it, girl, but, she's sexy! She is sexy as hell! Look at her! Okay, I lied. I thought she did have the tags, but she still has her, yeah, wrapped up. So that leads me to believe whoever did purchase this brand new did not carry it, because it's still fully stuffed. All of the tissue doesn't look too bad. Yeah, okay, here's all of her little booklets. So she does come with, I know, I should have, didn't you check all that? Girl. She did! What's wrong with me? Okay, wait just a minute. Also, the dust bag, very important to me, because if you ever resell, that just means so much to people. Seriously. And speaking of selling, so, oh, look at her. I did sell a lot of things, and you probably won't see me get another very expensive item for a while. I say that, and then, you know, but knock wood, I seriously don't think, because I spent my last nickel on her. Yeah. So, big items for the rest of the year, it's a no, sis. So, I'm going to call this an early birthday present. It is now the 1st of September. My birthday is in October, so I'm going to say that she's the one. This is my birthday bag, because there's no way I can justify anything else at this point. As you guys know, I'm trying to spend money that I earn, either selling bags or work, or, you know, the little tiny bit I get from YouTube, stuff like that. That is how I'm funding all of my purchases now. So yeah, she's down to like 59 bucks in her. So, she's not doing anymore. I did have some Coach stuff that I bought, but that was before this, and that is coming in. Well, let me rephrase. I budgeted for the Coach stuff, so, yeah. This is it, girl. This is it. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful and brilliant. Let me see. Okay. I was worried about this because Mommy has a big old arm and shoulder. So I was kind of worried about this, but man, anything that goes under my arm, like, it's going to get crushed by the sheer girth of my upper arm. I don't know about that. If I have anything in there, I'm kind of worried that stuff in there will get a little bit discombobulated, broken, or something. I don't know. Oh man, but now you cannot crossbody her, and y'all know I love to do a good crossbody. I used to didn't be about that life, but I am now. I love a good crossbody. So this, she's not a crossbody. That is a big deterrent. Am I talking myself out of this bag right now? Well, the thing about StockX is you can't return it. So here's what I did. I went on, of course, remember this story. If you saw Winnie's latest video, or last video, I think, as of today, she did a little like chat session with me. We Zoomed together. That was really fun. I'm going to link it down below so y'all can go see it if you haven't already. But in that, I said, this was right when we recorded this. It's been a couple weeks. I said, oh, I bought the Prada bag like yours, and oh gosh, guess what? I bought it, and then 2 days later, they sent me a Dear John letter that said, sorry, you are not the one. We will not be giving you this bag. You will not be buying it. I was like, wow. Very ugly of you guys, Prada. Very ugly. But we had some emails back and forth, and I could not secure her through the Prada website. So you know me, I'm very tenacious. When I want something, I have tunnel vision and blinders on. So, of course, I think what concreted this was the fact that I saw Winnie unbox it, and then Jerusha did, and I was like, well, it has to be, that's a sign. I need the bag. Since those girls got, yeah, I have to have it. So anyway, I got heavily influenced on this. Not that I didn't want the bag anyway. I really love it. I just think anything that shines this much, she needs to be mine. But anyhow, I think she's gorgeous. I feel like jeans and a t-shirt pulls this off to me, and thank God, because that's all I have. I don't have much in the way of dressing up. No. But I think anything, this would be dressed up, dressed down. I mean, now that I see it in person, like, I totally see this dressed down. I'll carry this to Sam's, girl. I'll carry her to Walmart. You know me. Let's go. But anyway. Yeah, I bought this from StockX. And the thing with StockX, if you guys have ever been on there, and not a plug for them because they ain't paying me nothing. They sure didn't give me any deals. Yeah, I just had never, I'd been on there a lot and seen their little auction thing. They have like, you can, they have like a list price, an ask, and then like a lowest bid. It's kind of type of auction thing, and the seller, it's like a, you know, you send your stuff in and you sell it through them, just like eBay or whatever, but you have like your asking price, which is what you'll take right now for the bag. And then also they'll consider your offers. So of course I put a lowball offer in. It didn't go anywhere. And then I just did the ask price. You can always do the ask price and it's yours. And you can see what other people, it's kind of neat because it'll say, you know, the last bid on this item was $790 or whatever it is. And, you know, you can go from there. So it's not like a, you know, private, oh, maybe I'll take your offer. No, it's, you know, the seller is either going to take the ask price or feel great about what you've offered and take your offer. So you can see. So anyway, that was an experience. I don't know that I'll ever buy anything else. And I don't know why do they do this? Okay, this is the authenticity, because what happens is the seller, when you sell a luxury item on there, you have to then send it to their headquarters. It's very, very high tech and very secretive, girl. You send it to their headquarters and someone there goes over it with a fine tooth comb. Yep, she's good. And then they slap this verified thing. So this, at first, I thought, when you cut this off, it's yours. But no, when she leaves their office, she's yours. Whatever it is, you are not returning it. Their return policy says, nope, we won't take any, no takesies, backsies, but you can resell your item with us. We'd love to do that for you, of course. They double dip and make money on it. So, there's a processing fee. It's, yeah, it's a lot. So, needless to say, I got this back because I really wanted it, but I am drawn back and I can't take it back. So these are just my thoughts, thinking out loud here. This sound, I kind of like it. Is it annoying? I want to apologize. It reminds me of a poker chip you would get in Vegas, just a little smaller. But yeah, I like it. I love it. I think it's great. I think it's gorgeous. I'm sad that you can't crossbody it, but you know, where there's a will, there's a way. I'll figure it out. But the thing is, this thing, right? If you're going to crossbody it, I don't know. This is a re-edition bag, 2000, so it's just reimagined from then. Only somebody painstakingly, a machine painstakingly put these little things on. So I'll be interested to see if any fall off. I will not be happy if that happens, but I'll let you know, girl. Yes! I love. Let me take this little thing off here, Franny. Oh, okay. The little clochette. Oh, it's on a little backwards. Here we go. Okay, very cute. Very cute. Re-edition. I love it. Okay. I am going to put her right here. And I'm going to tell you about, so I just told you I probably won't be buying anything. So I'm going to give you a wish list for next year, way down the road. She's got to sell some things. She's got to make some money. She's not buying anything. Seriously, I do have a little Coach haul, and I have a tiny Coach bag that I need to unbox for you. Beyond that, she's doing tag videos and what fits. That's all I know, girl. But I am going to tell you and show you some pictures. I would love to have on the old wish list, and maybe it'll come to fruition, maybe it won't. But at some point, I would like to buy a pre-loved Chanel GST, because I think the pre-loved market, you can get one, a nice one, for around $1,800, $2,500 to $2,500. So I would love to have, one of those. I think they're great. I'm getting back into the totes and the bigger bags now. Just the natural progression. It's probably what I'm influenced and I see, because I am heavily influenced. Okay, and I would love to have this bag, which is on the wish list, the LV Cousin Pochette. I love this bag because, of course, the bold colors. But I also like that it has a removable extender, which you can wear. I think people are saying they wore it as a necklace or a bracelet. I'm not sure, but I love the idea that you can take off a piece of jewelry and wear it from your bag. You and your bag can have jewelry. I love that idea. So for everything, I love this crossbody moment. I love this bag. I would love to have one. You guys are going to think I'm crazy, but Gucci did reissue, come back out with their furry Princetown loafers. And I really want the pair that's on Fashion File right now. They're brand new. Still a little pricey for me. I think the website's selling them for $900 or $1,000. Is you crazy? No, we can't do that. But I would like to have a pre-loved pair, and I mean a new pair from Fashion File. This blue, I think they call it blue agave. I don't know. Anyway, I would love to have a new pair of those furry Gucci loafers. I, of course, in my quest for the Chanel bag, put it on the back burner and sent back the YSL toy Lulu that I bought from Fashion File that was in great shape and it was gorgeous, but I thought, okay, that's $1,000 I can use on my, so I did that, and of course I regret it. So at some point in the future, I would like to have the YSL toy, possibly in red. I don't know. And one of the last things, and you guys aren't going to believe this, but I am again influenced by people I see. I think Cassie and also Winnie showed this on their channel at one point. The Versace, the La Medusa in the small, and I love this colorway. The darker pink with the light pink is just, I love her. I think that is a gorgeous bag, and Versace has never been on my radar. So I'm like, yes. But again, I think it's like $2,000. So, no. So there we go. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. And if you will, and you haven't subscribed, because a lot of you don't subscribe, it's free, girl. Just go ahead and hit it. Hit the notifications. You'll know when I post something crazy and something new, and hopefully not another unboxing until 2022. But still, you'll know. She'll be out here selling foot pics. Who wants to see my piggly feet? Nobody really, but maybe there's one. Call me. Anyway, hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'll see you back here on the weekend for something fun and exciting. It won't be an unboxing. But I hope you guys do have a safe and happy week. And remember, for real though, if y'all see my husband, ooh girl, don't tell him nothing. Bye. You know I want to sing to her, right? Should I? Let me think. All my life, I prayed for someone like you. I thank God that I finally found you.
I seriously want to make out with this bag. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful.
Yo, to get a room, girl.